Dear students, welcome you all to this engineering graphics video lecture. Today we are going to discuss about projections of planes inclined to both the plane. Okay, let us move to the question. A hexagonal plate of side 30 mm resting on one of its sides on VP and inclined at 40 degree to HP, its surface inclined at 35 degree to VP. Draw its projections. So in this case, you have to assume initial position hexagonal plate surface resting on VP. At a time, one of the side perpendicular to HP. Surface resting on VP and one of the side perpendicular to VP. Draw the front and top view. Assume this is the first quadrant. Consider our hexagonal plate surface resting on VP and one of the side perpendicular to HP. In this position, draw the front and top view first. So front view as a hexagonal plane and top view as a straight line on XY axis. So how to draw the hexagon? A simple method is there. Our 30 mm side as radius, draw a circle by using 2H pencil first. By using compass, 30 mm as radius, draw a circle using 2H pencil. And then draw a vertical line passing through the midpoint using 2H pencil. From the intersecting point, both up and down, same 30 mm as radius, draw the arc both the side. This cutting point as center, draw the arc both the side. Similarly, bottom, this cutting point as radius, draw the arc both the side, 30 mm as radius. Join all the points to get the regular hexagon. This simple method. No need to take 120 degree in each side. From the front view, draw the perpendicular line, project the top view. Top view is a straight line on XY axis. Second step, leave some distance, 40 to 50 mm distance. After that, mark the first point A1 of B1. Fix the protractor here. And take 35 degree incline, draw a 35 degree incline line. And then mark the remaining points F of C, A of P to F of C as radius, draw the arc, mark the point F1 of C1. A of B to E of D as radius, draw the arc, mark the point E1 of D1. Now the tilted top view completed, second stage. And then from the tilted top view, draw a perpendicular line using 2H pencil and a horizontal line from the front view. Mark all intersecting points. For example, A1 and A dash intersecting point as A1 dash, B1 and B dash intersecting point as B1 dash. Similarly, F1 and F dash intersecting point as F1 dash. Similarly, mark all the points and then join all the points to get the second stage front view. Second stage means two conditions satisfied. Surface, one of the side resting on VP condition satisfied and surface inclined 35 degree to VP condition satisfied. And final step, final front and top view, tilt the front view. One of the side resting side inclined 40 degree to HP. So leave some distance, draw a 40 degree incline line and then mark the first point. Leave some distance and then mark the first point. Why we leave the distance? Space required to draw that C2 dash D2 dash and E2 dash F2 dash. So leave some distance, mark the first point B2 dash and then B1 dash to A1 dash distance as radius, draw the arc, mark the point A2 dash. Now from A2 dash and B2 dash, draw a perpendicular line using drafter, draw a perpendicular line or protractor, draw a perpendicular line. And then B1 dash of D1 dash distance as radius, draw the arc, mark the point D2 dash. A1 dash to E1 dash distance as radius, draw the arc, A2 dash center, draw the arc, mark the point E2 dash. And then A1 dash to F1 dash as radius, A2 dash center, draw the arc, E1 dash to F1 dash distance as radius, E2 dash center, draw the arc, mark the intersecting point as F2 dash. Similarly, mark the point C2 dash. Now join all the points to get the final front view. So it is our required final front view. So dark the object using H pencil, dark line. From the tilted front view, final front view, draw the perpendicular line using 2H pencil. Draw the perpendicular line using 2H pencil. And similarly draw horizontal line from the second stage top view. Mark the all intersecting points. A1 and A2 dash intersecting point as A2. B1 and B2 dash intersecting point as B2. F1 and F2 dash intersecting point as F2. C1 and C2 dash intersecting point as C2. E1 and E2 dash intersecting point as E2. D1 and D2 dash intersecting point as D2. Now join all the points to get your final top view. Check whether the conditions, all the given conditions are satisfied or not. One of the side on VP, A1, A of B1 on VP, condition satisfied. The resting side inclined 40 degree to HP, the resting side inclined 40 degree to HP, condition satisfied. Surface 35 degree to VP, inclined 35 degree to surface inclined 35 degree to VP. So all the conditions satisfied. Our required diagram finished. Dear students, thank you very much for your patient listening. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. We will meet on next video. Thank you.